In last week's episode, you watched as I started to prepare for decorating inside for Christmas, which is going well. We're still not done, but this week I wanted to go into the back patio and start to clean that up because we're entertaining for Thanksgiving, so I got to get ready for everybody. So this week you'll watch me put everything together, and I'd love to hear what you think. Let's hop into today's video. All right, y'all. So next week is Thanksgiving and I am hosting Thanksgiving. So we're on the back patio because this is one of those areas that I am super excited to entertain in. It is probably the only area in my house that is 100% complete, that has furniture. Well, 99% complete that has furniture, with the exception of we got some living room furniture. So y'all know I have always talked about having a whole bunch of folks over so we can entertain in this space, and this is going to be the first time we're going to be able to do that. Like, we've had folks over as far as family is concerned, but the last time they were here, the patio furniture wasn't here, which did not stop them from congregating on the patio. And like, everybody loves this space as far as it backing up to the green belt and this big tree in the back. So even though it's like in the 50s, it's not gonna stop us from congregating outside. So I wanna make sure that this space is cleaned up and ready for everybody to get here, because I cannot wait for them to enjoy this space like it is right now as much as I do on probably a daily basis. So what you see me doing right now is just kind of cleaning up, getting everything out the way. And then while I'm back here, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out my Christmas decorations, because y'all know I've been busy. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out my Christmas decorations and kill two birds with one stone. Now, if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by and checking out today's video. My name is Kay, and I have designed this channel to be a place that just shares how I document turning my new construction home that we built and moved into in March of this year into the house that me and my family will be in for quite some time. You'll see us take on some DIY projects. It's myself, my husband, and we've got 4 amazing humans. You can learn more about us over on Instagram and TikTok. But if you like today's video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Feel free to give this video a big thumbs up so other viewers can find it. It really helps us be found by other people that are looking for similar content. And if you like to decorate in color, I invite you to stick around because that's my jam. But for now, we're going to keep decorating for Christmas, and we'll chat at the end of today's video. All right, so while I have you, while I was cleaning up, and I've seen this, like I knew it was here. You're about to watch me clean up some slime off of my patio furniture. And y'all, when I first saw this slime maybe a month or so ago, I wanted to scream, because if you know anything about outer furniture, you know that it is not the least expensive thing in the world, which I ain't got no problems with. Like, I invested for a reason. Like, I love my furniture. When I saw it, I thought my life was over, but I do remember why I chose outer. And one of the reasons why is because all of the reviews that I read talked about the durability of the fabric, how easy it is to clean, and they're not lying. Like, I've had it since July, and this stuff still looks brand new with the exception of the slime. So my children helped me put my furniture to the test, because I have tried to clean slime out of other places in my house and it does not come out. But I am happy to report that my patio furniture has been saved and the slime is gone, with a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of soapy water, and a little brushing. I'm not even brushing hard. I'm just brushing, like just passing over it just good enough to try to break up the slime with the vinegar and stuff. And y'all, this stuff still looks brand new. I know that we all invest differently in our homes, and I'm one of those people that outside furniture is just as big of an investment for me as inside furniture is, because we love outside just that much. So I take care of my outside furniture the same way I do my inside furniture, because I want it to last, which is the reason why I have this furniture, because everything that I've read, everything that I've heard about it talks about how long it's gonna last. And I've only had it for a couple of months, y'all, but I can tell you that every day I'm taking a nap. Not every day, but Sundays after church, I'm out here on a nap. My kids with their friends come in the backyard and, you know, casually lay all of it. Like we don't babysit this furniture, and it still looks new. Like, I've got other patio furniture. I've got the patio furniture that's up against the brick wall out here. I've got the patio furniture that I got from Target out in the front. Nothing wrong with it. Looks beautiful. But as far as durability and using it, like, this is the furniture. Like, if a leaf drops or if there's like outside debris, like stems and stuff, that stuff doesn't get stuck in this furniture. I can take a blower and it's gone. My furniture up on the front porch, I cannot do that. I'm gonna have to buy new cushions if I want to sit in it. That's what I'm gonna have to do, which is why I made this investment. So I'm saying all of that to say, in addition to me cleaning up and doing all of this other stuff, Outer has an amazing Black Friday sales going on, holiday sales. If you are going to buy patio furniture, I recommend buying it now in the off season versus going when everything is about to start coming out and everybody is looking for patio furniture. And I can still save you some of your coins, okay? There's a 25% discount code down in the description. You can use it. You can save 25% on your order. I promise you, this is one of those things that you will thank me for. I guarantee if you like being outside like I like being outside and you want your stuff to last, I bought this because I knew this was going to be one of those high traffic areas that I was going to use, my kids were going to use, and we were going to use when we were entertaining. And I needed it to last, and I needed it to look pristine when we were getting ready to use it. And so far, that has been the story. So that's just my 2 cents. I'm gonna keep cleaning up, and then I'm gonna come back when we start decorating for Christmas. I didn't catch all of it, but I caught a little bit of it. I'll come back when we start decorating for Christmas and kind of talk through my ideas. All right, so when I'm decorating for Christmas outside on the patio, I had some decisions to make. So in the front, y'all know I went real classic, real festive. That's the part of the place where my kids, you know, all that good stuff. Back here, though, I do decorate with the adults in mind, because adults are the people that use this space the most. Even though my kids enjoy it, we do come back. This is kind of like our chill spot. Like we got the speakers installed, we got the TV out here. Like, we use this place just like we would our living room. I would beg to say that we use this space more than we use our living room. But anyways, went shopping and I was trying to decide on a color palette for the back. Since the front was red, I kind of wanted to bring that red back here. Now, red is not a color that I decorate with as far as decor is concerned. For Christmas, yes, but for like everyday living, no. And this is a cross between Christmas and everyday living, okay? So for me, I'm doing something that's a little bit outside of my comfort zone, because I do want to celebrate back here in this space. Like, when you start seeing my inside, it's blues, it's grays, it's really muted. Even though it's colorful, it's still muted colors that almost feel neutral. So this is bold for me. But I wanted to try it because I mean, why not? We're decorating for Christmas. So this first set of pillows that you see going up, I got strictly with the idea of, okay, let's go classic, right? Let's go festive, let's go classic, let's put a little modern in there, see what we can do. And I actually like it. I actually like it, but there's a second set of pillows that I'm going to show you in just a second that I like as well, and I'd love to hear your thoughts and your take on what you think I should do. So I'm gonna let you keep watching, then I'll pop back in when it's time to talk about set number 2. Here's the other side. Now, these pillows are going to stay. I absolutely love this. I love the peacefulness that it brings. They're absolutely gorgeous, but I'm showing it to you so you can kind of see what I'm playing off of on both sides with both sets of pillows, okay? So this is me just, how I do. I have to put it down and then take a step back, check it out for a minute and see what I think. I don't know what I think. So let's go to set number 2. So for set number 2, I am going to replace the red pillows with my blue and see how I like it. Now, when I saw these particular pillows, I grabbed them because they reminded me of the rug, because I'm not taking up the rug right now. I was trying to see if these pillows I could use to kind of bring the rug up. And still say Christmas. Now, with that being said, with the exception of the Christmas pillows on the sofa, like if I took the Christmas pillows away, it would just be pillows. It wouldn't be festive. But with the red pillows, it still kind of spoke Christmas because of the season. So for me, I was like, if I'm really trying to decorate for Christmas, then why not decorate for Christmas? Okay. So what I'm thinking is I like the blue pillows, but I can use those pillows anytime. I don't have to use those for Christmas. And I'm only going to keep one set of pillows. Like one of these sets is going back. So, I don't know, like even looking at it up close, like I was kind of confused for a minute. So I went and asked him what his thoughts were. And he very rarely is any help. Very rarely is any help. But he did say he liked the red. So because he liked the red, I kind of went with the red just to keep it simple, because I was not trying to spend all day out here about some pillows. So here's the final look of the patio. Again, I'm sorry I didn't catch me putting up the rest of the stuff. I don't know what happened, but we decided on the red. I did take the velvet pillow out just because I don't think it's gonna fare well out here. So I may put that somewhere else. I don't know. But it is an absolute vibe out here. I love it. I don't have night shots. If you want night shots, connect with me over on Instagram and check me out like in the stories. I'm always on my patio in the evening sharing. But I absolutely love the way it's come through. It's just enough out here to say Christmas. It's not overly, over stimulating. But it's really, really cozy. Like when you sit in it, I can't wait for everybody to be out here. I'm just imagining it like next week when we're all out here talking and laughing and the kids are running around and we got our cocktails up under our blankets. Like it's going to be a good time. It's going to be a good time, and I can't wait to share this space with everyone. Now, this space in the corner back behind the Nutcracker, I've left open because I'm going to go try to find a patio heater just in case it stays cold. I could put something back here to kind of warm us up, but I love it. I love it, and I love the coziness of it. What do you think? All right, guys. So that is it for today's episode. So I am so excited about Thanksgiving, and I know I'm outside with a blanket and a sweater, but this is literally how we're going to be celebrating next week. I'm so excited because this space wasn't ready when the last time we had everyone over. So the last time we had everybody over was for my daughter's graduation party, and our outside furniture hadn't got here yet. So I'm really, really, really excited to have multiple spaces in the house to entertain. I feel like the reason why we bought this house and our love for entertaining and passion and stuff like that this is the first time we're gonna be able to execute it in a big way, because, you know, we got a little bit of stuff that's here. Our living room sofas came in, they're gorgeous. I'm gonna share those with you next week. But I'm really excited and really pleased with where we are so far. So I went with the more classic look out here, just because, you know, that's what I said we do outside. So the only thing that I'm going to get additional for out here is going to be some more throws for us to use, because I plan to utilize this until it's like 15 degrees outside, and maybe a patio heater. So right now, it's probably about 55, but underneath here, because the sun doesn't hit directly underneath here, it does get really, really cool. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find a patio heater this weekend. Hopefully there's some in stock and they're not ridiculously priced. And I'm gonna get a few more throws, but I'm really pleased with having this space set up, because the kids will be able to go out, run around, play, do whatever they're gonna do. The adults will be able to sit, watch TV, listen to music, have our drinks, talk, chit chat or whatever, just love on each other and be comfortable doing it. So this outside space is prepared and ready to entertain next week and decorate it for Christmas. And I can't wait to put it to use. So are you hosting for Thanksgiving, or are you traveling for Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is the one holiday for us that I really, really enjoy hosting for. And I'm just grateful that my family is willing to drive all these hours to come out and sleep wherever they can get in order to hang out with us, because, you know, we moved away, they didn't. But anyways, really excited. My mommy's gonna be here on Tuesday, so we're gonna go shopping and we're gonna start cooking. It's gonna be so much fun. So what do you think? What are your thoughts so far? Are you gonna be enjoying the outdoors? I mean, we live in Texas, so 50 degrees is cool. I mean, I'm comfortable. Like, I could take a whole nap out here right now. Anyways, I didn't get a night shot. I keep forgetting to get the night shot. So if you want to see a night shot, be sure to catch up with me on Instagram. I'm always sharing in my stories my little day-to-day activities. So become a part of the story fam. That's where you can see some outside shots. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So next week, our video is going to come out on Tuesday. Not on Wednesday, just because, you know, Wednesday I'll be cooking, and I'm sure most of you all will be too. And then I might have a special episode on Friday, and I keep saying I'm gonna do something on Friday, but for real this time, maybe, because it's Black Friday and I got a whole lot of deals to share, and it's probably just gonna be easiest just to wrap them up in one video, drop them on Friday. That, and along with the gift guide that you can go download over on the weekend. If you're a Black Friday shopper, you'll have plenty of ways to spend your coins. On Friday, however, I think I'm gonna grab my family and we're gonna go visit some of these wineries that are nearby after I do my shopping online. But yeah, thanks for tuning in to today's episode. Tell me what your thoughts are, and I'll see you next week for another episode. Bye for now.